वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू एसपीएन कंसल्टेंसी। आप सबका बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला, काफ़ी कमेंट्स आए और इससे मेरा भी बहुत प्रोत्साहन बढ़ता है। सो थैंक यू एवरीबडी। सो टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ आवर वास्तु। The second part we will be doing today. In our last Vastu class, we covered north direction, northeast direction, and southwest direction in our last class. So after that, today we will be continuing east direction, west direction, and the next will be southeast direction. So if anybody new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that you can get the my new videos immediately. So let's begin. For that I have to use my whiteboard. I hope everybody can see it. Let's suppose this is our house. Top one is north, here it is east, here it is south, and it is west. The middle point of this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So today we will be covering east direction, the west direction, and the southeast direction. Three direction we will be completing today. So first of all, east direction. East it relates to social connections, our social connections, how we people are connected, how we are connected to other peoples. It generates that. इससे अपने को पता चलता हम कैसे कनेक्टेड हैं दूसरों के साथ। और जो ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है, जो ये अपनी ये डायरेक्शन डिस्टर्ब हो जाए तो जो हमें प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, जो मैरिजेस में भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, क्योंकि ये पूरी तरह से सोशल कनेक्टेड से रिलेटेड है। तो इस पर जो एंटी कलर्स होते हैं, अगर वाइट कलर इस जगह पे आ जाए तो इट इज़ एंटी टू इट इस जगह पर, तो ये इस जगह को डिस्टर्बेंस कर देगा, ये ख़राब हो जाएगी जगह। तो आपके सोशल कनेक्शंस नहीं रहेंगे, आप खुद लोनली रहोगे, इतना घुल मिल नहीं पाओगे आप लोग। तो ये इसी को गवर्न करता है पूरे सोशल कनेक्शन से आपका। और ये डायरेक्शन गवर्नमेंट से भी रिलेट करती है। तो अगर ये डायरेक्शन, इफ दिस डायरेक्शन इज अफेक्टेड, देन यू मे फेस गवर्नमेंट इश्यूज ऑल्सो। तो नेक्स्ट जो हम आज डायरेक्शन ले रहे हैं, दैट इज विल बी वेस्ट डायरेक्शन। सो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन इट गवर्न्स our gains and profits. If this direction is in a good condition, then you can earn a good amount of profit and you can gain it. And if it is afflicted, and how it will be afflicted, that if any red color comes to it, if any red color comes to this west direction, then this direction will be afflicted. Then you may face problem with your profits. You may work hard, but you can't get that amount of profit what you are expecting. So that might be the issue if your west direction is afflicted. It's a very important direction, and this direction is also recommended for, you may put kitchen also over here in this direction. That is the second option. Second option for kitchen is west direction. So always keep this direction from any clutter free. It should not be disturbed. Our next direction will be southeast direction. Southeast direction is governed by our cash and liquidity, and it also governs fire also. First is fire, and second one is cash and liquidity. If this direction is afflicted, or if this direction is in problem, then you can face the money problem, the debt problem you can face. Or maybe that if you have given any credits to your customers, then it may be there that they won't return back your money if this direction is afflicted. So so this direction is very, very important, southeast direction, and it governs fire also. So it is the best direction for kitchen. You can keep your kitchen over here. This is a very good direction for kitchen, as because it is fire related. Southeast relates to fire. And how it will be afflicted? If any blue color comes over here, then this direction will be afflicted. Why? Because north direction governs water and south direction governs fire. Fire is red in color, and water, this is water. So if water comes in fire, then it will destroy fire. So always keep in mind that water related items or blue color or black color should not come in this direction. If it comes here, it is going to hamper your cash and liquidity, and your business might be in problem. Okay, I hope everybody understood it. So we covered today east direction, west direction, and southeast direction. And one more thing I can add over here, the element theory. Here, if you all can see that this is water, this is air, this is fire, this is earth, this is space. So it is a theory. Water will support air, air will support fire, fire will support earth, earth will support space, and space will support water. So it is a theory. If you understand this, it will be easier for you to understand this theory. I will explain the same process in my next video for your clarity also. Okay, so I hope you will understand it. If you don't understand anything, you can mention it in the comment box so that I can answer your questions. So this is the second part. So in our next part, we will be covering other 3 directions. So if you like my video, do share, subscribe, and like my channel, and do not forget to press the icon bell. Okay, thank you. Jai Shri Ram.